Okay, trigeminal neuralgia, it is also one of the disorder of the cranial nerve, right? Cranial nerve, which is the fifth cranial nerve, त्यसको डिसअर्डरलाई चाहिँ हामीले ट्राइजेमिनल न्युरेल्जिया भनेर भन्छौँ है। त्यसमा टिपिकल्ली हामीले डिफ्रेन्ट पेनको चाहिँ डिफ्रेन्ट फिचर्सहरू चाहिँ देख्न सक्छौँ। ओके, यहाँ चाहिँ हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ तपाईहरुले ट्राइजेमिनल न्युरेल्जियाको चाहिँ ब्रान्चेसहरू चाहिँ कहाँ गएको छ भनेर है। मेनली चाहिँ अप्थाल्मिक रिजनमा एउटा ब्रान्च गएको छ, यु क्यान सी हियर है। देन आफ्टर इन द अप्पर as well as lower mandibular region मा चाहिँ ट्राइजेमिनल नर्भ चाहिँ डिभाइड भएको पाउँछौँ हामीले है। अब यही डिभाइड भएको पोर्सन्समा हामीले टिपिकल पेनको सिम्पटम्सहरू चाहिँ देख्न सक्छौँ है। एन्ड you can see here this doesn't hurt भनेर देखाइरहेको छ, कति धेरै पियर्सिङ गरिरहेको छ। द पेन of trigeminal neuralgia compared to the pain of piercing this much of के भन्छ यसलाई नथिजहरू पियर्सिङ गर्दा पनि त्यति धेरै पेन चाहिँ हुँदैन रे भनेपछि कति धेरै पेन हुँदो रहेछ है। यु क्यान इमेजिन योरसेल्फ। And it is now we are going to the introduction. Trigeminal neuralgia is a cranial nerve disease, right? And which is the almost the biggest cranial nerve, and it is characterized by the intense pain in the distribution of one or more branches of the fifth cranial nerve. We have discussed the Bell's palsy earlier. I know Bell's palsy पनि के थियो त cranial nerve कै चाहिँ प्यारालाइसिस डिफ्रेन्ट सिम्पटम्सहरू हामीले देख्न सक्थ्यौँ है। इट वाज द सेभेन्थ फेसियल नर्भ भने दिस इज द फिफ्थ क्रेनियल नर्भ है। एन्ड द इन्टेन्स पेन विच इज टिपिकली क्यारेक्टराइज्ड एज sudden and severe pain, and its distribution can be in one or more branches of the fifth cranial nerve. We can see here it can be to the ophthalmic branch also. It can be for the upper as well as lower maxillary branch. One areas ma matra pani huna sakcha bhane more than or three of the all the branches ma pani pain chai distribute huna chai sakcha hai। And the disorder characterized by piercing attack of severe facial pain. Piercing भनेको चाहिँ घोचे जस्तो टाइपको अट्याक चाहिँ characterized हुन्छ है, त्यस्तो खालको पेन हुन्छ। Just this is the brief review of the trigeminal nerve. You can see here है, trigeminal nerve को division 1, 2 र 3 छ है। कहाँ भएको छ भनेर previous picture मा पनि हामीले हेरिसकेको छौँ। This is the trigeminal nerve root, trigeminal nerve nucleus. This is the brainstem, and this is the ganglion, and these are the three major divisions right? Ophthalmic region ma upper as well as lower mandibular right? Upper maxillary, upper jaw ko branches ma, and the mandibular lower jaw ko branches ma right? This also shows the area of the three branches of trigeminal nerves. Okay, now coming to the definition, it is a sudden, severe. दुईटा एस तपाईहरुले बिर्सिनु भएन। Sudden, severe. Usually it is unilateral. That means in one side of the face. Rarely 2 to 3% of the cases have bilateral features भनेर भनेको छ है। And severe, brief means it is for very short duration, fraction of second को लागि मात्रै हुन सक्छ त्यो पेन चाहिँ, but it is very severe, त्यो तपाईहरुले बुझ्नु पर्यो है। And stabbing pain in the distribution of one or the more branches of the fifth cranial nerve right? Now we are coming to the etiology. Introduction clear छ सबैलाई, छैन भने सोध्नुस् है। Etiology ma the exact causes is still not found है। Idiopathic नै मानिएको छ, exact cause चाहिँ it is not exactly known, and but degeneration of the nerves as the degenerative changes or due to the viral infections पनि हुन सक्छ भनेर चाहिँ इटियोलोजिकल फ्याक्टर्सको रूपमा राखिएको छ भने अदर रिस्क फ्याक्टर्सहरुमा चाहिँ के छ त भन्दाखेरि कम्प्रेसन अफ द ट्राइजेमिनल नर्भ रुट्सहरुलाई चाहिँ कुनै पनि कारणले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ कम्प्रेसन गर्यो है आर्टरिजहरुले कम्प्रेसन गर्न सक्छ अथवा चाहिँ हुन सक्छ स्क्लेरोस ट्युमर्सहरुले पनि कम्प्रेसन गर्न सक्छ है ब्लड भेसल्सहरुले कम्प्रेसन गर्न सक्छ यदि कुनै पनि कारणले चाहिँ ट्राइजेमिनल नर्भ रुटमा कम्प्रेसन भयो भने त्यसले गर्दा पनि हुन सक्छ नेक्स्ट वान इज प्राइमेरी डिमाइलिनेसन डिसअर्डर है माइलिन शीथको चाहिँ डिमाइलिनेसन भएर चाहिँ हुन सक्छ भनेर भनेको छ त्यसभित्र पर्न सक्छ मल्टिपल स्क्लेरोसिस or Charcot-Marie tooth disease. It is a hereditary sensory motor neuropathy. It is the tooth disease, teeth related, and it is the demyelination disorder. This can also be a risk for trigeminal neuralgia. Next one is infiltrative disorder of the trigeminal nerve root, ganglion and the nerve. अघि मैले देखाएको थिएँ है एनाटोमीमा तपाईहरुले हेर्नुभयो त्यहाँ चाहिँ कुनै पनि इन्फिल्ट्रेटिभ डिसअर्डर भयो जस्तै कार्सिनोमाटस डिपोजिसन है कार्सिनोमाटस डिपोजिसन भनेको कुनै पनि ट्युमरहरु कार्सिनोजिन एजेन्टहरु त्यहाँ गएर डिपोजिट भइदियो पेरिन्युरल स्प्रेड अफ हेडेक नेक क्यान्सर हेड र नेकमा भएको कुनै पनि क्यान्सरहरु चाहिँ स्प्रेड भएर चाहिँ त्यो पार्टमा ट्राइजेमिनल नर्भको पार्टमा गएर इन्फिल्ट्रेट भइदियो भने त्यसको कारणले गर्दा पनि देयर माइट बी रिस्क फर occurrence of trigeminal neuralgia. And next one is known demyelinating lesion of pons and medulla, and the last one is familial trigeminal neuralgia. That means that if there is a family history of trigeminal neuralgia, one might have risks for having trigeminal neuralgia. अब हामी जान्छौं टाइप्समा द टाइप्स अफ ट्राइजेमिनल न्यूरेल्जिया इट इज नट मेन्शन्ड इन योर बुक है यहाँ हेर्नुस् it can be divided into mainly two categories trigeminal neuralgia type 1 TN1 which is also called the classical trigeminal neuralgia, and next one is TN2 trigeminal neuralgia type 2 which is called the symptomatic trigeminal neuralgia and trigeminal neuralgia type 1 TN1 it is the classic form of trigeminal neuralgia, and here are the typical features such as piercing and stabbing pain only happens at certain time and is not constant, and most common form it is the most common form the causes are idiopathic and also it can be associated with the vascular compression. मैले अघि पनि भनिसके रिस्क फ्याक्टरमा इट मे बी ड्यू टु दि आर्टरीज or the blood vessels compressing the nerves of trigeminal area है or the cranial nerve लाई चाहिँ compression गरेर पनि हुन सक्छ, and it is a unilateral disorder that is characterized by brief, it is very short very brief भनेको just a fraction of second को लागि मात्रै पेन हुन्छ जस्तो बिजुली चम्किदा कस्तो हुन्छ है इलेक्ट्रिक शक लाइक पेन भनेको जस्ट एकदमै इलेक्ट्रिक शकको जस्तो भेरी ब्रिफ ड्युरेसन को लागि हुन्छ abrupt in onset and termination limited to the distribution of one or more division of trigeminal nerve, and the pain is commonly evoked भनेको it can be occurred by very minor stimuli है जस्तै just washing your face can also cause the pain, shaving, smoking, talking or brushing the teeth, these are the triggering factors है अथवा spontaneously without any stimuli पनि spontaneously पनि pain चाहिँ arise हुन सक्छ, and the pain is very brief and very severe. त्यो चाहिँ तपाईहरुले सम्झिनु पर्यो, it is very brief, it is very sudden and it is very severe है, and यो चाहिँ spontaneously पनि occur हुन सक्छ भने triggering factor भनेको माइनर एकदमै माइनर स्टिमुलाई ट्रिगरिङ फ्याक्टर पनि ठुलो हुनु पर्दैन एकदमै माइनर स्टिमुलाई जस्ट टचिङ द फेस टचिङ यर चेक्स त्यतिले मात्रै पनि पेन चाहिँ क्रिएट गर्न सक्छ है दिस इज टाइप 1 TN1 ट्राइजेमिनल न्युरेल्जिया नेक्स्ट वान इज ट्राइजेमिनल न्युरेल्जिया टाइप 2 TN2 जसलाई सिम्प्टोमेटिक ट्राइजेमिनल न्युरेल्जिया पनि भनिन्छ it can be referred to as atypical or not typical trigeminal neuralgia, and pain is more constant and involves aching, throbbing, and burning sensation. Pain चाहिँ कस्तो हुन्छ त प्रिभियस TN1 मा चाहिँ सडन सिभियर फर फ्र्याक्सन अफ सेकेन्ड थियो भने एन्ड स्ट्याबिङ टाइपको पेन थियो त्यसमा भने यसमा चाहिँ एकिङ पेन दुखेको जस्तो जस्ट फ्र्याक्सन अफ सेकेन्डलाई मात्रै हुँदैन थ्रोबिङ पेन एन्ड बर्निङ सेन्सेसन चाहिँ हुन्छ भने इट can result from the another disease process अरु disease process को सेकेन्डरीली रूपमा पनि हुन चाहिँ सक्छ है यहाँ हेर्न सक्छौं हामीले TN2 को एटिपिकल फिचर्सहरु हामीले के देख्न सक्छौं है which suggest the symptomatic trigeminal neuralgia or which can be suggesting the alternative diagnosis trigeminal neuralgia नहुन पनि सक्छ है हामीले कस्तो चाहिँ टिपिकल फिचर्सहरु पाउँछौं त भन्दाखेरि abnormal neurological examination abnormal oral dental and ear examination age will be mostly younger than 40 years bilateral symptoms that means in TN1 usually or in trigeminal neuralgia we have to remember that most commonly the symptoms are unilateral but here in the atypical features of symptomatic trigeminal neuralgia there may be bilateral symptoms or there will be the bilateral symptoms dizziness or vertigo hearing loss or abnormality numbness pain episodes persist longer than 2 minutes this is another point to be remembered in TN1 the pain will be for very brief duration just for a fraction of second it will mostly never exceed more than 2 minutes but here the pain episode persists longer than 2 minutes and pain is outside of the trigeminal nerve distribution. Trigeminal nerve distribution we have seen it was in the ophthalmic branch, it was in the upper jaw that is the maxillary branch and in the mandibular lower jaw branch. But here the pain may be outside of the trigeminal nerve distribution. Outside of these three major areas pain चाहिँ हामीले अरुतिर पनि पेशेन्टले फिल गरेको चाहिँ थाहा पाउन सक्छौं है क्लियर हुनुहुन्छ दुईटा टाइप्समा if any confusion you can ask or you can raise your hands now हामी sign and symptoms मा जान्छौं sign and symptoms मा चाहिँ abrupt onset of excruciating pain है एकदमै severe type of pain which can be in the ophthalmic maxillary mandibular branch trigger zones specific point stimulation along the nerve branches we can see अहिले म देखाउँछु trigger zones chewing गर्दा toothbrushing washing face talking applying makeup blast of cold or hot air just airले मात्रै touch गर्दाखेरि पनि फेसमा touch गर्दाखेरि पनि pain चाहिँ trigger हुन सक्छ pain चाहिँ हुन सक्छ and most common trigger is touch or tickle on the face है and pain is of burning knife like भनेको stabbing pain lightning shock electric shock दिँदाखेरि भए जस्तो in the upper and the lower gum cheeks forehead side of the nose and lips है okay we can see here the trigger zones यो red dot ले तपाईहरुले mark गरेको these are the trigger zones where the pain arise है okay now we are here with the pathogenesis है pathology मा चाहिँ superior cerebral artery tracing due to the nerve compression or the artery compression due to the compression of the arteries or the blood vessels in the root of the cranial nerves that causes pressure in the cranial nerve है के भनेको थियो त TN classification 1 चाहिँ हुन सक्छ vascular reason ले गर्दा पनि हुन सक्छ भनेको थियो we are bringing here the same reason है हुन सक्छ सुपिरियर सेरेब्रल आर्टरीले चाहिँ के गर्यो त ट्राइजेमिनल नर्भको रुटलाई चाहिँ प्रेस गरेर चाहिँ के हुन्छ त त्यहाँ चाहिँ प्रेसर चाहिँ क्रिएट गरिदिन्छ which result in the focal demyelination. Focal means in the specific point in which point the nerve चाहिँ प्रेस भएको छ जुन पोइन्टमा चाहिँ नर्भ रुट प्रेस भएको छ त्यहाँ चाहिँ demyelination and hyper excitability of the nerve fibers चाहिँ हुन्छ and which fire in response to light touch resulting in brief episode of intense pain. This is just the simplest pathophysiology है फेरि एक्सप्लेन गर्छु due to any of the etiology or any of the risk factor or we can see here due to the superior cerebral artery pressing on the or grooving the root of the nerve which causes pressure which result in the focal demyelination and hyperexcitability of the nerve fibers. Due to this there is a response. There is a response for very minor trigger also to the light touch also which result in the brief episode, very short episode of very severe type of pain. Right? Okay, now the अब चाहिँ हामी diagnostic procedure मा जान्छौँ. Diagnosis it is based on the distinctive sign and symptoms. है sign and symptoms को आधारमा चाहिँ we can diagnose trigeminal neuralgia or we can distinguish it from other differential diagnosis for this history taking हामीले गर्न सक्छौं sign and symptom को लागि as well as we can perform the in the history taking we can ask about the different characteristics of pain, the areas where the pain are generated, the triggering factor which generates the pain, as well as the pattern of pain, as well as the duration of pain, intensity of the pain. हामीले सबै कुरा चाहिँ हिस्ट्री टेकिङमा सोध्न सक्छौं. फिजिकल एसेसमेन्ट गरेर हामीले हेर्न सक्छौं जसमा न्यूरोलोजिकल एसेसमेन्ट पनि गर्न सक्छौं. And here is white and sweet articulated diagnostic criteria for trigeminal neuralgia. I will show the sweet diagnostic criteria. It consists of 5 major clinical features that define the diagnosis of T and trigeminal neuralgia. Sweet diagnostic criteria, which includes the five clinical symptoms. The presence of these 5 clinical symptoms will confirm the diagnosis of trigeminal neuralgia. The pain is paroxysmal. The pain may be provoked by light touch to the face or the trigger zones. अघि मैले देखाएको छु नि trigger zones हरु हो त्यो trigger zone मा चाहिँ just by the light touch also the pain may be provoked, or the pain is confined to the trigeminal distribution. Trigeminal branch distribution, the 3 major branches: ophthalmic branch, maxillary branch, and mandibular branch. The pain is confined mainly in the only in the 3 trigeminal branch distribution. The pain is unilateral. Unilateral means in only one side of the face, and the clinical sensory examination is normal, and the other sensory examinations are normal. In the presence of these 5 clinical manifestations, we can confirm the diagnosis of trigeminal neuralgia. म फेरि एकचोटि रिपिट गर्छु. Pain is paroxysmal. That means it is very sudden and severe. It is very sudden and severe pain. The pain may be provoked by light touch to the face or the trigger zones, and pain is confined to the trigeminal distribution. Pain is unilateral, and other clinical sensory examinations are normal. If we find these clinical manifestations, then we can confirm the diagnosis as trigeminal neuralgia. And to rule out the other differential diagnosis, we can perform the other diagnostic procedure, and which includes CT scan. For any other lesions or vascular abnormalities, we can perform CT scan, we can perform LP, we can perform MRI, and we can rule out the other condition. For example, it may be due to the other disorder. For example, tumors हुन सक्छ, ट्युमर्सहरूले चाहिँ कम्प्रेस नर्भलाई कम्प्रेस गरेर चाहिँ भएको हुन सक्छ. So the rule out process मा चाहिँ यो चाहिँ and complete neurological assessment and other conditions, rule out pathological conditions are RO भनेको rule out है, to rule out अरु होइन भनेर हामीले confirm गर्नको लागि we can perform other diagnostic investigation. For example, electromyography, CSF एनालाइसिस गर्न सक्छौं एलपी गरेर, एन्टिरियोग्राफी, माइलियोग्राफी गर्न चाहिँ सक्छौं है डायग्नोस्टिक इन्भेस्टिगेसनमा. एन्ड okay, we can also perform the blood test for any other deformities अरु डिफर्मिटिज को कारणले गर्दा हो कि भनेर अरु फाइन्ड आउट गर्नको लागि ब्लड टेस्ट, बेसलाइन इन्भेस्टिगेसनहरु पनि परफर्म गर्न चाहिँ सक्छौं. नाउ वी आर with the last portion है management. Management मा चाहिँ medical management and surgical management, then after finally nursing management छ. And medical management मा चाहिँ anti-seizure medications हरु छ है. And यसमा युज हुने कमनली युज हुने ड्रग्सहरु कार्बामिजेपिन, भाल्पोरेट, फेनिटोइनहरु चाहिँ युज गर्न सकिन्छ. त्यस्तै next one is muscle relaxants. You most commonly use in a baclofen we can use, and the main goal of treatment भनेको चाहिँ just to provide pain relief, pain management, and further nerve problems हरुलाई हुन नदिनको लागि, further nerve problems, further complication हरु prevent गर्ने, and managing the pain is one and only goal of the management है. And conservative management मा चाहिँ हामीले गर्न सक्छौं nerve blocking with local anesthesia. And surgical management मा हामीले गर्न सक्छौं different types of surgeries are here: microvascular decompression, radio frequency rhizotomy, and sub gamma knife radio surgery, sub optical craniotomy, glycerol rhizotomy है. MVD microvascular decompression भनेको चाहिँ के हो त भन्दा here the nerves है, nerves जसले चाहिँ के गर्छ त यो जुन पेनको सिम्पटम्स, पेनको सेन्सेसन चाहिँ दिने हुन्छ त्यसलाई चाहिँ के गरिन्छ, कम्प्रेसन गरिदिन्छ है. It is a surgical procedure to relieve the symptoms pain caused by compression of the nerve by an artery or the vein है. यसमा चाहिँ के गरिन्छ, सर्जिकल ओपनिङ गरिन्छ, क्रेनिटोमी नै गरिन्छ, स्कललाई ओपन गरेर चाहिँ नर्भ जसलाई चाहिँ कम्प्रेसन गरिरहेको छ आर्टरी र भेनले त्यसलाई चाहिँ रिलिज गरिदिन्छ है, प्रेसरलाई चाहिँ रिलिज गरिदिन्छ. एन्ड नेक्स्ट वान इज रेडियो फ्रिक्वेन्सी रिजोटोमी. रेडियो फ्रिक्वेन्सी रिजोटोमीमा के गरिन्छ त भन्दा यसमा नर्भ्स जसले चाहिँ पेन चाहिँ जुन एरियामा पेन भइरहेको हुन्छ त्यसलाई चाहिँ हाइली लोकलाइज हिट with radio frequency ले चाहिँ डिस्ट्रोय गरिन्छ. एन्ड नर्भलाई नै डिस्ट्रोय गरिसकेपछि अब पेनको सेन्सेसन ब्रेनसम्म पुग्न पाउँदैन. And it is a successful procedure which reduce pain without reducing the nerve function भनेर भनेको छ है. And by destroying these nerves, pain signals are prevented from being transmitted from spine to the brain. Rhizotomy है, radio frequency rhizotomy. Next is gamma knife radiosurgery. In this procedure, it is a type of radiation therapy used to treat the tumors and other abnormalities in the brain. If the symptoms arise due to the tumors, then this treatment ko lagi we use gamma knife radiosurgery. The next one is suboptical craniotomy. It is also a surgical procedure. Craniotomy means skull को चाहिँ के गरिन्छ त ओपनिङ गरेर चाहिँ acoustic neuromas growing from the nerves, न्युरोमाजहरुलाई चाहिँ के गरिन्छ त रिमुभ गर्ने चाहिँ क्राम गरिन्छ यसमा है. यदि न्युरोमाजहरुको कारणले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ यदि अरु सिम्पटम्सहरु देखिएको छ भने चाहिँ त्यसलाई रिमुभ गर्ने चाहिँ काम गरिन्छ. एन्ड सर्जरी इज परफर्मड behind the ear है because here the most symptoms is hearing loss, ringing of ears, dizziness. So ear को पछाडिपट्टिको पोर्सनबाट चाहिँ ओपन गरेर चाहिँ सर्जरी गरिन्छ एन्ड फेसियल नर्भ फङ्सन्सलाई पनि मेन्टेन गरिन्छ. Next one is glycerol rhizotomy. Glycerol rhizotomy भनेको it is a surgical injection of glycerol in the area where a nerve divides into 3 main branches. In this area, a surgically injection of glycerol is injected, and the goal of this treatment, goal of glycerol rhizotomy is it damages the nerve. It selectively damages the nerves in order to interfere with the transmission of pain signals to the brain. The nerve is damaged, so the pain signals from these three branches cannot reach to the brain. Right? The main goal of this treatment, glycerol rhizotomy, and almost सबै सर्जिकल म्यानेजमेन्टको गोल चाहिँ त्यही नै छ. पेनको स्टिमुलाई चाहिँ ब्रेनसम्म पुग्नु नपाओस् है. And here is the nursing management. Nursing management is mainly focused on relieving the pain management, because the pain is so severe, so sudden that patient cannot tolerate the severity and can perform suicidal tendencies also. So for this, we have to perform various pain management therapies. For example, providing dark room with moderate temperature, triggering factors like prevent गर्ने, unnecessary face like touch नगर्ने, communication गर्नको लागि alternative ways are used गर्ने, because through speaking also the pain can be aggravated. And for eating also, for nutrition management also, we can use NG-tube on the unaffected side. त्यस्तै pre-operative care मा, when the first branch is involved, the corneal reflex, the very important protective mechanism may be lost. So त्यसको लागि हामीले आई केयरहरु गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ, आई ड्रप्सहरु चाहिँ प्रोवाइड गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ, पेशेन्टको आई इन्फेक्सन हुन दिनबाट प्रिभेन्ट गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. And patient is not allowed to chew on the operated site until paresthesia has diminished, right? And soft diet is ordered post-operatively, and we can perform various patient teaching. For example, affected side of the face चाहिँ के हुन्छ त, आफ्टर सर्जिकल म्यानेजमेन्ट पेन चाहिँ फिल गर्दैन भनेपछि हामीले विभिन्न पेन त फिल नै हुँदैन, किनकि पेनको सेन्सेसन पुग्ने त्यो बाटो नै अब्स्ट्रक्ट गरिदिसकेको हुन्छ. त्यही भएर हामीले पेशेन्टलाई कसन्स लिनको लागि, फर एक्जाम्पल आई इन्जरिजहरु हुन सक्छ, त्यसको लागि इयर टिथ प्रब्लमहरु हुन सक्छ, तर पेन पुग्दैन. टिथ प्रब्लम भयो, टिथ किराले खाइरहेको छ, तर पेनको सेन्सेसन पुग्दैन. त्यही भएर हामीले फ्रिक्वेन्टली अथवा शेड्युल्ड बेसिसमा डेन्टिस्टलाई भिजिट गर्ने, विभिन्न समस्याहरू फेससँग रिलेटेड जस्तो आई प्रब्लमहरू, डेन्टल क्यारिजहरुको लागि चाहिँ एकदमै प्रिकसन्स लिनको लागि चाहिँ एडभाइस